Indian Motorcycle is once again reinforcing its image in the premium touring motorcycle segment with the launch of the 2026 Signature Series, a special edition lineup that replaces the Elite Series with a focus on exclusive visual details. The collection includes the Challenger, Chieftain PowerPlus, Pursuit, and Roadmaster PowerPlus Signature Series, each featuring a multi-layer paint process with hand-finished details that create color effects that shift depending on the viewing angle and lighting. The Challenger and Chieftain feature dark tones with black engines and exhausts, while the Pursuit and Roadmaster come in a combination of red, white, and blue to commemorate the 250th anniversary of the United States. However, despite their ultra-premium appearance, Indian confirms that for now, the Signature Series is only available in the United States and Canada, meaning consumers in the UK and Europe will have to settle for being spectators for the time being. From a technical standpoint, the Signature Series does not feature any mechanical changes compared to the regular models. The Challenger, Chieftain PowerPlus, Pursuit, and Roadmaster continue to rely on the liquid-cooled 112 cubic inch, 1,834 cubic centimeters PowerPlus V-Twin engine, which produces 126 horsepower and 181 newton meters, 133 lb-ft of torque. The difference lies in the premium features that are now standard, including the PowerBand audio system with 400 watts of output on the Challenger and Chieftain PowerPlus, and 600 watts on the Pursuit and Roadmaster thanks to the addition of 2 speakers in the rear trunk. For classic-style variants, Indian also continues to offer the Chieftain Elite with a Thunderstroke V-Twin engine, which highlights the distinctive character of a traditional V-Twin engine with exclusive paint finishes, special emblems, and premium trim. Exclusivity is the main selling point of the Signature Series. The latest Signature Series models are priced starting at $40,999 for the Chieftain PowerPlus and Challenger, and $46,749 for the Roadmaster PowerPlus and Pursuit. This move by Indian indicates that differentiation is now more focused on design, build quality, and a premium riding experience rather than performance enhancements. While this strategy certainly reinforces the brand's exclusive image, limiting distribution to North America alone risks disappointing Indian enthusiasts in global markets who have long been anticipating these special edition models.